I think there's a lot of things that the naked eye cannot see, like in terms of energy, frequency, vibrations. This, if you don't see it, doesn't mean it doesn't exist. And so I've been traveling for 3 years and I stayed in over 30 to 50 different properties, right? And I noticed something. I don't believe in Feng Shui last time. Feng Shui is simply the placement of your home furniture, your sleep position, and your desk position. All this actually plays a part, and especially your toilet position. So I don't believe it. To me, back then, it's like, oh, these are just old people stuff, and I'm not that old, and I don't like to believe in things of like just placing a furniture. How could it affect your life? And if your stay is short term, let's say 1 to 5 days, it doesn't really matter. If your stay is long, like 3 years and 1 full month, Feng Shui matters, because I've slept in homes that are the furnitures are not so well positioned according to Feng Shui, and then my sleep is disrupted, and then I'm not productive at work, and I'm not earning as much as I need to. If it affects your wealth, it affects me. I start to read up into Feng Shui, and then I realized, yeah, it actually makes a difference, like, don't you want to have good wealth and good health? And then I start to read up like how to select the rooms according to this Feng Shui standard, and I made adjustments to my accommodation bookings, and I choose those homes that have better placements, and it worked. Like I really enjoyed the benefits: better sleep, better health, and better mental well-being. So this actually helped me, and I'm glad that I learned this skill. You can find a lot of tips online, and Feng Shui is very well documented in Chinese actually. So I'm glad that I learned Chinese and I know Chinese, so I understand what the master is talking about. If you want to learn Feng Shui, you can watch this. It's on YouTube. Feng Shui 有关系. It's a Taiwan Feng Shui TV show. They go to different houses, and each different owner has their own problems. They write into this television station in Taiwan, and then the Feng Shui team would go to their house and do Feng Shui audit, as well as to improve their home. And then some of them actually have some of them came back with a second episode like a few years later, thanking the master, and then they need a second Feng Shui audit again because they shifted their home. So yeah, Feng Shui actually works. I mean, to me, I don't like to say it as superstitious or what, but I think there's a lot of things that the naked eye cannot see, like in terms of energy, frequency, vibrations. This, if you don't see it, doesn't mean it doesn't exist. And let's say, for example, if you are angry, if you look towards a dog and you're angry, they would attack you. So what is that? That is simply energy, right? Energy you can't see, but you actually emit energy. If you believe in Feng Shui, let me know down below. And has Feng Shui transformed your life? Feng Shui is not a religion, so there's nothing to do with religion here.